We all know how critical it is for the irrigation system in your yard to be working correctly. If you notice that the water is not coming out of your risers evenly, then this may indicate that you need to clean the screens in your risers. This is fairly simple. Let me take you to the can yard and show you how to do it. Grip the riser to stabilize it and unscrew the cap. Remember, righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, so we're going to the left here. Once the cap comes off, put it someplace safe. Pull the screen out, and as you can see, this one's very dirty. It has definitely been affecting the way that the water has been coming out of the cap. Using a toothbrush, just gently remove anything on the screen. You can also rinse it in a little bit of water, pulling off any extra particles. Place the screen back into the riser and then screw the cap back on. Something to pay close attention to when you're putting the cap back onto the riser is the top of the cap. This little arrow right here shows you where the water is going to be coming out of the cap. So that arrow should be pointing toward the inside of the yard. As you can see, there's a slight little opening there, and that's where the water comes out of. The final step is to manually turn on your irrigation system by pressing the set and plus button on your timer to make sure that the water is emitting from your riser correctly. As you can see, the water is going towards the center of the yard, and there doesn't appear to be any leaking around the cap of the riser. You can turn off the water manually by pressing the set and minus button on your timer.